Hello, good morning everyone. We are group 16 and we are here to present our project that is the web search engine guided by Dr. Saini. First of all, I would like to introduce you all to my teammates Ashmit Samra, Nidhi Rana, Yash Joshi and myself Mili Shah. Talking about the overview. First of all, we will go over and talk about what a search engine is and what it does. Secondly, we will discuss the concepts and tools used to develop this application. Then we will see the block diagram with a small project demonstration, followed by work distribution, future work, and conclusion. I would like to explain what a search engine is. So, what it is, it's a web-based tool that can connect to World Wide Web. What it does, so it goes through the internet searching for result based on a particular query, and what it shows is that it provides all important links related to the query. So basically, to summarize, when a user fires a query, it sweeps through the internet and search for the most relevant URLs that gives the user required information. Now my teammate Yash will continue from here.
Thanks, Millie. Now going over the concepts that we use to develop the search engine. We have used edit distance algorithm for word suggestions, where we have compared the words in the try with the words to be searched on the internet. Then hash table for implementing inverted index, which help with the help of tree structure. Then web crawler for crawling over the internet, fetching the web pages. It is also known as web spider. And we have implemented page ranking to calculate the relevance of the link corresponding to the query. The tools which we have used are Eclipse IDE for coding in Java, GitHub to maintain the code, Google Meet to collaborate with teammates, and Glyphy to make the block diagrams of the presentation. Now let's see the block diagram of the search engine. Looking at the block diagram, when we first fire up the search engine, it instantiates the web crawler and fetches the web pages from the server. After that, it will remove the stopwords and extract the keywords. Then it implements inverted index by storing all the important words and their corresponding links in the hash table. When a user searches for the word, the search engine looks through the hash table to fetch all the links if the word is found. All the links are sorted according to the importance, which is calculated using page ranking algorithm, and the top 5 links will be displayed as the result. If the exact word is not found, it will suggest the closest match to the word. This function is implemented using edit distance algorithm. Now my friend Nidhi will continue the rest of the presentation.
Thank you, Yash. So, coming to the section of project demonstration. In this section, we will see exactly how the search engine works. As we have seen in the block diagram, we are going to go through two different scenarios as we saw and as we saw. The first one is entering a correct search query, and then the second one is by entering incorrect search query. So there are a few things that I need to mention. We have scrolled about 1,000 web pages for this demonstration, and we have created the hash table using with the help of tree structure that we have studied in the assignment. So going for the first case, the result will show the most important links, and the second one should show the suggestion that we can use to uh, search the query. Now coming to the actual demonstration. Here, as we fire up the search engine, it starts creating the hash table. As you can see, it takes quite a while to perform this step. As the number of web pages increases, so does the time taken to create the hash table. Okay, so the hash table is created and it maps each important word to the URL. As we search for as we fire the query, it should show the relevant URLs, the five most relevant URLs that has the word Java in it. As we can see the results, now we will enter incorrect word. As we can see, GOOG gives the suggestion of good and GOOGL gives the suggestion of Google. These two are the words that are present in the table while the fired queries are not. Now, this is all for the demonstration and I will hand over the rest of the presentation to my friend Ashmit.
Thank you, Nidhi. Now I would like to talk about the work distribution. Here I would like to share how all the team members have worked together on this project. So this slide shows the work distribution among the team members. The web crawler was developed by Yash. He used the JSoup library for this particular application. He has scrolled about 1,000 web pages and parsed them to text, which fetches the URLs and after that is stored in a trie structure, which helps to create the hash table. Further, the page ranking was done by Mili, where she calculated the importance of a URL based on the word frequency. Then, the word suggestion was implemented by Nidhi, in which she used edit distance algorithm to find the closest match of the search word and integrate it with search engine. As far as we have observed that our suggestions were quite accurate. The final hash table that was created by try used the inverted index which was implemented by me to store the words and their relevant URL. Future work. Talking about the future work, in future we will try to develop a better user interface. Right now, the web crawler takes a decent amount of time to fetch and parse the web pages, so we need to work on decreasing that time. Also, as of now, we are fetching the web pages based on a static URL, so we need to work on making it dynamic based on the user query. Conclusion. At the end, I would like to conclude by saying that due to the time constraints we had, we were only able to utilize some of the concepts that we have learned to create this search engine. We can integrate some more algorithms to optimize the performance efficiency of the search engine. At the end, we would like to thank you, Dr. Saini, for her guidance throughout the course and also want to thank Fen and Rahul for their help and support. And we would also like to thank you all for being a wonderful audience. This is the end of our presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.